Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel, direct from the flight deck. Lately, I received lots of inbox messages from fellow aviators in our YouTube community showing their interest of building career at Spirit Airlines. One of the most asked questions is if paying for an Airbus A320 type rating through ATP flight school is recommended. So first, I have to say there's no sponsor in this video. All the statement I make here is based on my view. So first, the program is legit or not? ATP advertised their CFI graduate the program with Airbus A320 type rating hired direct into Spirit with zero turbine time. From what I heard from our training department at Spirit, we start seeing a good numbers of CFI from ATP start flying our Airbus. The program is legit. It will well prepare you for Spirit initial training, which is well known a tough training. However, in order to qualify for Spirit Direct program, you have to go through ATP Flight School's Airline Pilot Career Program. Then, flight instructing at ATP. When you reach 500-hour total time, you will interview at Spirit. After the interview, and you will go through the jet transition course, which is the Airbus A320 type rating training, followed by ATP CTP course. Make it clear, just getting the Airbus A320 type rating with ATP flight school won't guarantee you anything. Let's take a look at the cost. According to ATP Flight School website, the Airbus A320 type rating 7-day program is cost $8,495. This is lots of money after spending $100,000 plus on training on license from private pilot to instructor. The fact that not much people have money left while instructing with low pay. So the alternate route to Spirit cockpit, actually I shouldn't call it alternate route because Spirit hire very wide range of pilot with experience from King Air to 747 experience. Definitely getting the Airbus A320 type rating is not the only way to Spirit cockpit. In my case, I spent 4 years at the regionals flying the CRJ200 before got hired into Spirit. I would definitely do it again today by spending some time at the regionals before applying to the major airline. Here's are the reasons why. Number one, regional pilot pay much better than ever in the history. Today, most of the regional will pay you from $70,000 to $80,000 on the first year before any signing bonus. Compared to $18,000 average a year 10 years ago, which is totally unsurvivable for me. Number two, career progression. Most of the regional today have legacy flow through program, which is allow you flow to the legacy after few years of service at the regional without additional interview. But there's no guarantee since US aviation market could get very volatile. Like we experienced in the last 3 years, from mass furloughing during the COVID to mass hiring today. The good news is many first officers got hired at Spirit lately spent as little as only 6 months at the regionals. So it's not like my time, 4-year sentence at the regional with low pay and no career progression. In conclusion, although the ATP Airbus 320 type rating program provide good training to prepare you for Spirit Airlines initial training, the high cost seems unnecessary to me in today's pilot shortage market, especially for most pilots like me with tight budget in life. By going through Part 121 regional airlines for a few months, you will gain very valuable real-world experience to prepare you for any future opportunity, which serves the same purpose of getting Airbus 320 type rating training. The difference is you will be paid. Everyone's situation is unique, so make a good decision that fits yours. Always fly safe and see you in the Spirit flight deck in the future. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel direct from the flight deck, and feel free to drop me a message, and I will see you here next time.